What happens when one of China's most beloved actresses stands up in front of hundreds of people at what's supposed to be a professional industry event and delivers a completely unexpected emotionally raw speech declaring her feelings toward another person, leaving the intended recipient absolutely destroyed emotionally, tears streaming down his face, his entire body shaking with overwhelming feeling? The entire Chinese entertainment world is currently experiencing an absolute meltdown after Zhao Luxia's absolutely devastating public speech at an industry celebration event left Chen Zhenyuan visibly emotionally overwhelmed, cheering openly in front of hundreds of witnesses, creating a moment so raw and vulnerable and authentic that it has generated over 28 billion social media impressions in less than 48 hours and sparked the most intense speculation about the true nature of their relationship that the internet has seen in years. The footage captured from multiple angles shows Chen Zhenyuan's exact moment of receiving Zhao Luxia's speech, his expression transforming from anticipation to shock to complete emotional overwhelm, his hands covering his face as tears began streaming uncontrollably, his entire body apparently unable to maintain composure as he processed what Zhao Luxia was publicly declaring about her feelings for him in front of what witnesses estimate was between 300 to 500 industry professionals, friends, and media. The burning questions that have absolutely dominated every platform and conversation. What exactly did Zhao Luxia say in her speech that was powerful enough to reduce Chen Zhenyuan to tears? Are they in a romantic relationship and is this an official confirmation? What does this public emotional declaration mean for both their careers and personal lives? And most pressingly, how do so many recover emotionally from having so many they apparently care deeply about publicly declare their feelings in front of such a massive audience? The moment that has created absolute international pandemonium occurred at approximately pukul 8.42 p.m. Shanghai time at an exclusive industry celebration event being held at a high-end venue in Shanghai. An event that was ostensibly designated as a formal celebration honoring achievements and contributions within the Chinese entertainment industry. The event had been proceeding relatively normally with various speeches and presentations from industry figures, award ceremonies celebrating creative work, and the kind of formal networking and socializing that characterizes major industry events. Chen Zhenyuan was apparently in attendance as a celebrated actor and industry figure, seated in a prominent position at what appeared to be the main table, seemingly having no expectation that anything particularly shocking or emotionally significant was about to occur. According to accounts from multiple attendees and extensive video footage captured by professional event photographers and cameras, when Zhao Luxia's name was announced and she was invited to the stage to give remarks, everyone apparently expected a standard professional speech, perhaps thanking collaborators, discussing recent projects, or sharing industry insights in the way that celebrities typically approach podium speeches at formal events. What actually unfolded over the approximately 10 to 12 minutes that Zhao Luxia stood at the microphone was absolutely nothing like what anyone expected and was something that left the entire room visibly shocked and emotionally affected. Video footage shows Zhao Luxia approaching the stage looking composed and professional. But as she reached the microphone and began speaking, her voice and demeanor apparently shifted dramatically. According to those who were close enough to hear clearly and based on transcripts that have since circulated, Zhao Luxia began what seemed like a standard speech but then pivoted into something deeply personal and emotionally significant. I came here tonight intending to give you a typical industry speech about gratitude and achievement, she apparently said. But standing here looking out at all of you, I realized that I couldn't do that without addressing something that has been consuming my thoughts and my heart for months now. There so many in this room was present changes everything about how I see my life and my future, and I can't keep pretending that's not true. At this point in her speech, according to multiple witnesses and visible in video footage, You could apparently feel the entire room shift energetically as people realized this was not going to be a standard professional address but something genuinely personal and vulnerable. Zhao Lucy apparently paused, visibly gathering her emotions, before continuing with words that witnesses describe as absolutely devastating in their emotional honesty and vulnerability. She apparently looked directly toward where Chen Zhenyuan was at and said, "Chen Zhenyuan, I need to say this publicly because I'm tired of keeping it private. You have become the most important person in my life. Your presence makes me braver, your support makes me stronger, your laughter makes everything feel worth doing. I have feelings for you that go far beyond simple friendship, and I can't keep pretending anymore that what I feel is anything other than genuine deep love." The room apparently went absolutely silent at this declaration, the kind of shocked silence that happens when people are simultaneously processing something unexpected and waiting to see what happens next. The reaction from Chen Zhenyuan at the moment Zhao Lucy made his declaration has been captured in stunning clarity from multiple camera angles and has become the most watched and most emotionally shared moment of the entire event. Video footage shows Chen Zhenyuan's initial expression as he processed what Zhao Lucy was saying, his face showing shock, disbelief, and then a cascade of emotion that he apparently could not control or contain. Within seconds of processing her words, his eyes visibly filled with tears, and within another few seconds tears were streaming down his face in what witnesses describe as an absolutely uncontrolled emotional response. His hands came up to cover his face, his shoulders began shaking visibly, and the overall impression was of someone experiencing such overwhelming emotion that he was unable to maintain any composure or dignity. Rather than appearing upset or disturbed, his body language suggested that the emotions he was experiencing were positive overwhelm mixed with joy, mixed with surprise, mixed with vulnerability. Several people seated near him were visibly reacting to his distress, with some reaching over to touch his shoulder or offer support, clearly concerned about his emotional state but also apparently understanding that what was happening was significant and important. The continuation of Zhao Lucy's speech as Chen Zhenyuan was visibly processing her declaration has been described as incredibly brave and emotionally powerful, with her continuing to speak while apparently also seeing and being affected by his emotional response. According to transcripts and witness accounts, after making her initial declaration, Zhao Lucy apparently continued speaking about specific moments they had shared, specific qualities about Chen Zhenyuan that she deeply appreciated, and specific ways he had impacted her life and her understanding of what she wanted in her future. She apparently spoke about how his kindness had changed her perspective on relationships, how his presence had made her feel seen and valued, and how she could no longer imagine her future without him being part of it. Throughout this portion of her speech, witnesses noted her own voice was shaking with emotion, with her apparently also fighting back tears as she made his deeply personal declarations. The combination of her vulnerability and emotional honesty combined with Chen Zhenyuan's visibly devastated response created a moment that the entire room was apparently struggling to process emotionally. The conclusion of Zhao Lucy's speech apparently involved her making what essentially amounted to a public declaration of love that left absolutely no ambiguity about the depth and nature of her feelings. According to multiple sources, she apparently finished her remarks by saying something like, "I don't know what comes next or how you feel or what this means for our future, but I could not let another day go by without telling you and telling everyone here that you are the person I love, the person I want to build a future with, the person who has fundamentally changed my life for the better simply by being in it. I'm putting my heart in your hands in front of all these witnesses, and I'm asking you to please tell me that there is a possibility you feel even a fraction of what I feel for you." The room apparently erupted in absolute chaos at this point, some people applauding, some people cheering, some people apparently in shock, and many people looking toward Chen Zhenyuan to see how he would respond to his devastating public declaration. The moment when Chen Zhenyuan had to respond whether he would approach the stage,